Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna noodle casserole. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, gather all your ingredients, including 2 cans of tuna, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, and 1 cup of milk. Also, get your baking dish ready. Next, bring a pot of water to a boil and cook 8 ounces of egg noodles according to package directions until they are al dente. Drain them well. Now, let's create that delicious creamy sauce. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 can of cream of mushroom soup with 1 cup of milk. Whisk these together until smooth. Then, stir in about 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion, if you like. Season the mixture with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper to your liking. This forms the base of our comforting casserole. With your noodles cooked and sauce ready, it's time to bring everything together. First, make sure to drain 2 5-ounce cans of tuna very well. Add the drained tuna, the cooked egg noodles, and about 1 cup of frozen peas to your creamy sauce mixture. Gently fold all these ingredients together until they are evenly coated. Pour the entire mixture into a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Almost done. For a delightful crunch, sprinkle about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs evenly over the top of your casserole. Place the dish into your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the casserole is bubbly and the topping is golden brown. Once baked, let it cool for about 5 minutes before serving. Enjoy your homemade tuna noodle casserole.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.